Red flags in friendship. Six type of people that you should never befriend. And if you have such people around you or in your life, be aware. Number one, if they are friends with your enemies or if they are friends with someone who bad mouth about you. They can give excuses and try to cover it up by saying that, oh my god, but they have treated me nicely. I know they treated you in a bad way, but they treat me so nicely. This already indicates that this one person, your so called friend, does not value you. They are already friends with someone who does not respect you. Your best friend's enemy is your enemy. And if your best friend is not like that, they are not your best friend. And let me give you a reality check. Your so called best friend, who is friends with that one person who treated you in a very bad way or disrespected you, your so called best friend is probably talking bad things about you at your back, and you will never know. They're probably using you. Second, if they are never available for you, even if they are available for you 50 out of 100 times, that's fine. But if they are not available for you 50 out of 100 times, then that person is not your friend. They are using you. And if there is no balance between giving and receiving, you are the one constantly giving. You are the one constantly putting efforts for them. You are the one being available for them. You are the one putting efforts, doing things for them, helping them out, being a good listener, and you are not receiving whatever you are giving to them in return, then they are not your friend. They are using you. So, for the sake of your own mental peace, value yourself and leave such people. Third, if they blame shift and gaslight you. Blame shift means they are not admitting and accepting their own mistake. Instead of that, they are blaming someone else and they are trying to cover up their mistake by blaming someone else. And that someone else can be you also. It can be like, hey, XYZ person, you know what? You should not have beaten up that person. Look at you, you are now in a big problem. And they can be like, yeah, I should not have beaten up that person. I know I crossed my boundaries, but you should have stopped me from doing that. So instead of admitting the mistake of them crossing the boundaries and beating a person, they are blaming you for not stopping them. Or let me give you an easy example of blame shifting. For example, tomorrow is your exam and your friend did not study anything for the whole year, which usually happens with students. So they decided to study one night before exam, and now they're constantly calling you, hey, please give me important topics, please give me important questions, help me out, clear this topic, blah blah and everything. And now you who have already prepared everything is busy somewhere. Perhaps you're outside, or maybe you're busy with your family members, or perhaps you are occupied with an event or anything else. So at that moment of time, you're not available for them, and the next day their exam did not go well, and now they are blaming you for failing. In fact, they were the one who decided to study one day before exam. You did not stop them from studying. They decided to do that. So you cannot blame your failure onto someone else. You are responsible for yourself. Stop blame shifting and stop being friends with such people. Another one is gaslighting. Gaslighting is a form of emotional abuse that someone does by controlling their feelings and emotions, and it is a type of manipulation tactic. How can people gaslight you? They can deny when you tell them something. They don't understand your perspective, and even if they do, they intentionally try and pretend not to get your side. They deny to what you tell them and how you feel. When you tell them something, they try to add onto their own perspective to the event, and they try to change small details of the event, change the whole scenario, try to prove you wrong. They even tell white lies to make you doubt your own judgment. That's how they try to gain control over your mind and on your emotions. They can make you mistrust on others or on anyone and even on yourself. Gaslighting someone becomes easy if the person who is gaslighting you is someone very close to you. Since we believe them a lot, so we believe everything they say. Since you believe them from the bottom of your soul, they are there applying dark psychology and playing with your mind and emotions. If they tell other people's secret to just anyone apart from you, they are going there telling someone's secret to other people, making fun of that. They are not the one. They probably do the same on your back. They tell your secret to other people also. If they are jealous of your success, fake people and toxic people give fake reactions just like their personality. If they are not happy when you give them good news about your life, or if something good happens in your life, they are not happy with that, they are not the one. They are jealous of you and they will try to bring you down in life. Cut them off. And last but not the least, if they never validate your feelings, your problems, and your issues. Whenever you try to tell them something, they don't really validate your issues and they try to change the topic or probably not give that much attention to you. They try to change the topic, or maybe when you tell them about your issues, they try to compare your problems with their problems, showing you that their problems are bigger than yours. And when they're not a good listener, we all need a good listener in our life, whether it can be a friend or someone else. So if your best friend is not a good listener, they are not the one. Cut them off. And that's all for today, guys. Never settle in bare minimum. You deserve to get treated in the best way. And treat people like the way you want to get treated. Bye. Sorry guys, I forgot to say this in my previous video also. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, bye.